Good afternoon. We're here at the Belmont station to record the 1206 inbound train. Back to you, Dorian.
Go to this side.
Hello guys! Yes, I am behind the camera today. Hope you guys enjoy this Railfanning video. It is train 1404 inbound, headed into Porter Square / North Station today. Hope you guys enjoy this Railfanning video, and let's hit it. Hit the bell, subscribe, and like. Thank you guys for watching, and let's get into it. Roll. Alright guys, so it's the 1206 train inbound, headed into North Station / Porter Square. Light's green. I can zoom in on that for you guys. Get that green light down there. And it's flashing, so it's coming. Yet, it is not coming yet. Meanwhile, I'll let you guys observe the station for a minute. Pause if you need to. I'm going to move this thing slowly, so you pause if you need to. But, yes, pause if you need to, and enjoy. By the way, guys, you're watching Transportation, Food, and More. Enjoy. Shout out to all you guys for being my viewers. Once again, shout out to all of you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you guys for viewing our videos. All the viewers that watch our videos, shout out to you guys. But, yeah, shout out to you guys. And the train's coming in like 4 minutes. 14:04 to be exact. And it's coming on this track here. On this track right here. Ding, 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 ding. We are here today. Enjoy this Belmont Railfanning video. I'm just full of joy because it hasn't crashed yet. It's already been 2 minutes, and it usually crashes within 3 minutes. It's 2:42. Like the video's time. It's been 2:42. Here the train comes. All right. You hear it?
No, not yet. But it's
Got to be somewhere near.
the tracks that was
Well, the light's green. I could trust that. The light's green. The light's green. I could trust that. You know? Once again, guys, let me get a good zoom in on that green blinking light for you guys so you guys can see. Means the train is coming. If it's either green or blinking green, that means the train is coming. And there are little trucks down there that are doing some track work down there. I'm gonna zoom out. You guys can see the little trucks. The people are doing some track work down there. Let me make this better for you guys. Okay, let's zoom out. Alright guys, hopefully our quality is like up at 4K or 1080p. I just need to check something really quickly. Alright, our tripod is set up and clear to go. And the video right now is 4 minutes 9 seconds.
Alright. Let's hope
It uploads, and yes. Hope you guys enjoy. Yay. Okay, the light is still green. Yeah, the light is still green. I'm still trusting on the light to tell me that it's coming. But I'm not sure exactly because I usually always trust the light. When that light is flashing green or is green in the middle light, out of the 3 lights, it's flashing green or is green, I usually like if it's just staying like solid green or if it's flashing green, I usually trust that. How am I stepping on the ground? Oh, yeah, of course, I'm walking. So guys, I'm gonna be checking the schedule to see what the next train that we're watching, the Railfanning, is train 4. Is the 174 train. I hear it. You hear it? That was 1404. Enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And he is honking probably because he's at the crossing. So he's probably honking. You guys can hear him honking in the distance. But enjoy the video. Thank you guys for watching so much. We appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, turn on the little notification bell in the corner thing. Please press that. Press all. And you will see the bell have little things around it telling you that you rung it. Enjoy your day. Thank you for watching Transportation Food and More. This is the 124 train 1404 inbound. Bye.